With this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how to parse a tax invoice with line items using PDF.co Document Parser. I have here a sample invoice with line items. To start our tutorial, first, log into your PDF.co account. On your PDF.co dashboard, click the Document Parser menu at the top of the page. On your PDF.co Document Parser page, click on New Template. Next, click the Load image and select the file that you want to parse. In the Add object, select the Add field from Rectangle selection to get the client name, invoice date, invoice number, and invoice total. Then, we will add another object. We will use Add Table field based on text search to get the line items. To get the line items using Add Table field based on text search, you need to use these properties. Just change the name of row/columns depending on the names that you have with your own invoice. Once you're finished adding the objects, time to run your template. Here's the Parse tax invoice. Once you're finished with your template, you may save it. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.